My life is free Britney, and it just changed.
Britney Spears is finally ready to speak out about her legal drama. The pop princess will personally address an LA courtroom in June as her legal battle over her long-standing conservatorship continues. Britney's attorney told the court that the Piece of Me singer requested the hearing so she could speak to the court directly and asked for an expedited date. The judge agreed to set the appearance for June 23rd. It is not known exactly what Britney plans to address, but the toxic singer has been in an adverse fight over her conservatorship. Access spoke to legal expert James Sexton, who said it's not uncommon for a person in Britney's situation to want to have their voice heard.
Britney Spears has had a lot of people doing a lot of talking on her behalf for a long time, but her voice has been silent throughout a lot of this, except for occasionally checking in on her social media and telling people that she's doing just fine. The world wants to hear from Britney and hear Britney say, those magic words that she's going to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
Her father, Jamie Spears, has been the appointed conservator since 2008 and has court-approved control over all of his daughter's personal and financial decisions. A bid to have him removed from the role in 2020 was denied, but the heated battle continues on. Britney, who has previously stayed out of the conversation surrounding her legal arrangements, has reassured fans she is doing well on social media despite the controversy. She playfully posted a video on Monday of herself dancing. But fans and followers of the Free Britney movement are fed up and want to see the singer's wishes granted. Many took to the streets in celebration of the news that Britney will have her day in court, even shaving their own heads in support.
Yes, it is a bunch of passionate fans, but it is also a lot of regular people. It's lawyers and activists that don't care necessarily about Britney Spears' music, but about the rights that are being taken away from her. So it's not just a bunch of fans. It's a bunch of very proactive, supportive people that are looking to fight the injustices that come along with conservatorship abuse.
It's Till the World Ends fans against Jamie.
This is the first time in 13 years we're getting any sort of word from Britney about her conservatorship, and it's the biggest deal to me.
Even Britney's mom is speaking out against her ex, who is now requesting $890,000 from his daughter to cover the costs of his legal fees. Lynn Spears filed her own court documents calling the request procedurally improper. Britney's dad fired back on Monday, claiming that Lynn has, quote, exploited her daughter's pain and trauma for personal profit. Attorney Sexton says if Britney is looking to get out of her conservatorship or change it, it may be an uphill battle.
But just the fact that she's asking for it is not in and of itself going to be sufficient evidence. And just her testimony alone would likely not be sufficient evidence to override a conservatorship. There would probably have to be competent testimony by other professionals who would testify to how Britney's doing.